Welcome to computer class, students. In previous class we have seen the libraries window and their parts. Today we are going to learn how to make the folders. Before going further, just have a look on this tree diagram. Sports main folder, indoor games, outdoor games subfolders. In indoor games, chess and carom, these two are files, and in outdoor games subfolder, football and hockey, these are files. So let's get started working with files and folders. To create a new folder, we will first create the main folder sports in the documents library. We will open the documents library first. So this is your desktop. Click on the start button. You will see the start menus. On the right pane of the start menu, click on the documents. You will see the documents library window. On the toolbar, click on the new folder. You will see the icon of a folder with the word new folder highlighted in the box. Details pane shows the detail of the new folder. Now you type the folder name sports, SPORTS. After typing, press the enter key on the keyboard. The name of the folder highlighted. The details pane shows the name and details of the new folder. Now we have successfully created the main folder, that is sports. We'll create now subfolders. Let us open the sports. So we are in a now sports folder, libraries, documents and sports folders. You can see the path. We are now in a sports folder. Here again you can see the toolbar and there is a new folder. Just click on the new folder. The new folder will open there in the sports folder. Now you can directly start typing, otherwise you can use the backspace key to erase that new folder name and start writing the indoor games, because we are creating subfolders in the sports. Two subfolders we are going to create. First one is the indoor games and second one is the outdoor games. So first one we have created indoor games, indoor space. After that you should write games, GAMES. After writing the name, you should press the enter key. After the pressing the enter key on the keyboard, yes, here it is, your folder is ready, indoor games. Next, we have to create one more folder, that is the outdoor games. Before I wanted to show the indoor games. Now I am going to open this indoor games folder. Just double click on that. Now see libraries, documents, sports and indoor games. Okay, now come back. We are in a now sports folder where we are created indoor games. Now one more new folder we will create by clicking on the new folder. Again same, press the space button and you can start typing outdoor games. Now this is the second subfolder in the sports folder. First one we have created indoor games. Now this is the second subfolder, outdoor games. After typing you should press the enter key. Press the enter key. Here the folder is ready, outdoor games. These two subfolders we have created in the sports folder. Just now I have opened that, libraries, documents, sports and outdoor games. nothing is there in this folder. So these two folders we have created in the sports folder. This is the main sports folder. In this two subfolders, indoor games and outdoor games. Understanding, children? Now we have created main sports folder. In that two subfolders, indoor games and outdoor games. Now what we have to create? Now let us create files in the indoor games. Now we are in a indoor games folder. So you can see this blank area. There you have to right click with the mouse. Which click? Right click. Just right click over there. You can see this all menus of the right click. In that, just click on new. Any file you can select a part of these. Microsoft Access, Excel. I am going to select the text document. Just click on the text document. Now there is a white color icon open over there. Just use the backspace key to erase the name, and there you should type indoor games. So many indoor games you are playing, but here we have to create the file. What is the first file? Is there chess. So I am writing CHESS. After writing, just press the enter key. Here I have created file in the indoor games. You can see libraries, documents, sports, indoor games. In indoor games I have created chess file. More file we have to create, that is carom. The same process we have to follow. Again right click in the blank area. Just right click over there. Select new text document. You can select any of file. Just click on the text document. Again press the backspace key and write the name carom. The second file is carom, CARROM, and after that you should press the enter key. After that just press the enter key. So here two files we have created in the subfolder of indoor games. You can see carom, that text document it is, so it is a notepad file is there, just close it, and the chess. You can see in the title bar that two files we have created in the indoor games. Take back indoor games, two files, carom and chess. Now we are ready with the main folder sports. In that we have created two subfolders, indoor games, outdoor games. In indoor games two files also we have created, chess and carom. Now we will go further, outdoor games. Open the outdoor games. In the blank area, same procedure you have to follow. Just right click with the mouse. Right click over there. Go to new. Go to text document. Use the backspace key and type the file name. So outdoor, many games you are playing. So we have to create here football. First file is football. After typing a name, just press the enter key. Here your file is ready. The second file we have to create with the hockey. New text document and use the backspace key again and type the name hockey and just press the enter key. Here your two files are ready in the outdoor games. You can see the path, libraries, document, sports, outdoor games. In the two files, football and hockey. So indoor games, carom and chess, two files we have created. Come back, outdoor games, 2 files football and hockey. So this is the sports main folder, 2 subfolders, indoor games, caroms and chess 2 files, and outdoor games, football and hockey 2 files. Close the libraries window. So in this way, we have created main sports folder. In that 2 subfolders, indoor games and outdoor games. In indoor games, we have created 2 files, chess and carom. In outdoor games, 2 files, that football and hockey. If you have a PC at home, do practice of this. Thank you.